So for all of these, we're just going to use the standard right-hand rule, okay? And that's because what our force is IL cross B, right? So when we put our hands in the right hand, our right hand in the right hand position, the force is our thumb, right? This is our index finger, right? And then the magnetic field is the middle finger. And you put your fingers like this, so it's sort of like your thumb. If I'm pointing straight away from myself, just sort of like the ordinary way I normally would, my thumb is pointing straight up. Okay, my index finger is pointing away from me, so we'll draw that like perspective, right? That's my index finger. And then my middle finger's pointing that way. Okay? So for all of these, all we have to do is just move our hand around and we can answer these questions. Now, understand that if you're looking at a map problem, north is up the page, west is to the left, south is down the page, east is to the right. And then vertically upward would, of course, if we're looking down at the map, then, of course, up is out of the page, right? Of the page. And down is into this page. So let's do some of these, right? We want to find the force. The current is down, so point straight into this map. Now rotate your hand around, so my index finger is pointing straight into this screen right in the middle of that compass rose. My middle finger is now pointing east, and if I do that, my thumb now points south. Okay? All right, so this is my index finger into the page, because that's down, right? Okay. My middle finger is to the right, and when I do that, my thumb points down the page, which is south. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, now we're going to go index finger is going to be down this page, and then I'm going to turn around. I'm going to turn myself around so that my middle finger is pointing to the west. My thumb is now pointing directly into this page, which would make it down. Okay, so those are our directions, right? Okay, let's do this guy up. Okay, well, up is easy, right? Up is pointing straight at myself. And then naturally, when I point straight at myself, my middle finger points down this page. So my thumb is now pointing to the right on the page. Okay, so again, this is index finger, right? This is the middle finger. Okay, so index toward me, middle finger down this page, my thumb is pointing to the east. Okay, let's see, north. Okay, so now my index finger is pointing north. Right, so this is going to be your thumb, the direction of your thumb. Right, okay, so my index finger is pointing straight up the page. Now I've rotated my wrist so that the middle finger is to the left. So your middle finger is going to be this way. See, if I was left-handed, I could like write and talk, use that'd be an advantage to be left-handed. So my thumb is now pointing out of this page, which is vertically upward. All right, I hope that helps. It's hard to explain. And yeah.